Welcome, dear students. I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In this video, I'll be discussing how to solve a first order, first degree ordinary differential equations using the fourth order Runge-Kutta method. So first, let us see what is the Runge-Kutta fourth order formula. It is y of x is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, where k1 is equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught, k2 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2, k3 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2, and k4 is h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3, where h is the step length of a problem. So this is a relation which is used to calculate the value of y at given x for the given first order differential equation using the fourth order Runge-Kutta method. Now we shall discuss how to solve a problem using this fourth order Runge-Kutta method in the next slide.
So we start the first problem on Runge-Kutta method. Apply fourth order Runge-Kutta method to find y of 0.2 by taking h is equal to 0.2 for an IVP initial value problem. Dy by dx equals 3x plus y by 2 comma y of 0 equals 1. So this is the problem here. So let us see how we can solve this. Solution given. So you know the IVP given here is dy by dx equals 3x plus y by 2, and we know that this dy by dx can be written as f of x comma y. So dy by dx is f of x comma y. So we get f of x comma y equals 3x plus y by 2. Now the initial conditions. So what are the initial conditions here? They have given y of 0 is equal to 1. So the meaning of this is x naught equals 0, whereas y naught is 1. And the step length is given here. So the step length is h equals 0.2. So this is the given data. Now we know that in case of fourth order Runge-Kutta method, the approximate value of y at given x, that is y of x, can be calculated by using a formula y of x equals, it is y naught plus 1 by 6 into, it is k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So this I will call it as 1. This is the relation which calculates the approximate solution for a problem in case of RKM, Runge-Kutta method. See here this k1, k2, k3, k4 are the parameters. So if you find the values of those parameters and substitute, we get the final solution. Now how to calculate? See, we have k1 equals, so the formula for k1 is, it is h into f of x naught comma y naught. So let us substitute. You know h is 0.2 into f of x naught comma y naught. So you know x naught is 0, y naught is 1. So let us substitute now. It is 0.2 into. See, you know, f of x comma y is 3x plus y by 2. See, here we have f of 0 comma 1. That means in place of x we have 0 and in place of y we have 1. So in this relation, let us put x is equal to 0, this value, and y is equal to 1. So you get f of 0 comma 1. Substitute now. So this is 3 into x is 0 plus y is 1 by 2. So if I simplify this, we get the value of k1. So 3 into 0, 0. So 1 by 2 means 0.5. 0.5 into 0.2. It gives 0.1. So this is the value of first parameter, k1. Now similarly, now k2. So the formula for k2 is h into, it is f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Now this is equal to, you know, h is 0.2. f of, see, x naught plus h by 2. You know, x naught is 0. So this becomes 0 plus h by 2. h is 0.2. If I substitute here, it is 0.2 by 2. 0.2 by 2 is 0.1. So it is 0.1 plus 0. You get 0.1. Comma. Similarly, this one. y naught plus k1 by 2. You know, y naught is 1. K1 is 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. So 0.05 plus y naught, that is 1. So it gives 1.05. So on simplification, this becomes 0.1 comma 1.05. Now this one again, it is in the form of f of x comma y, where x is 0.1 and y is 1.05. So let us substitute x is 0.1 and y is 1.05 in this expression in f of x comma y. We get 0.2 into, this is 3 into x. What is x? 0.1 plus this is y by 2. Y by 2 means 1.05 divided by 2. So if you simplify this, use your calculator and simplify, we get 0.165. So this is the value of k2. So second parameter we got. Now similarly k3, the formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. So this is the formula for k3. So you know h is 0.2 into f of, see, x naught plus h by 2. X naught plus h by 2 already we have done. It is 0.1. Substitute directly this value. But y naught plus k2 by 2 we simplify. You know, y naught is 1. So it is 1 plus k2. k2 is 0.165 divided by 2. So 0.165 divided by 2, then plus 1 gives, it is 1. Just a minute. 1.0825. So right. So this is by simplifying this. Now here again x is 0.1 and y is this. So substitute this in 3x plus y by 2. So this is equal to 0.2 into this is 3 into x. X means 0.1 plus y by 2. What is y by 2? 1.0825 divided by 2. So simplify this. We get the value of k3, and k3 value for this is 0.16825. Right? So this is the third parameter. Now at the end, k4. So the value of k4 is h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. This is the formula. So this is equal to h is 0.2 into f of x naught plus h. You know, x naught is 0, h is 0.2. So 0 plus 0.2. So it gives 0.2, comma y naught plus k3. You know, y naught is 1 now. So it is 1 plus k3 is this. So 1 plus this means it is 1.16 825. Now again same formula, 3x plus y by 2. X is this, y is this. Substitute now. So this is equal to 0.2 into this is 3 into x is 0.2 plus y by 2. Y by 2 means 1.16825 divided by 2. So simplify this, we get the value of last parameter K4. And K4 is 0.2368. So this is the value of K4. So we got the values of K1, K2, K3, K4. So let us substitute these values in equation 1 along with y0. So the last step, substituting K1, K2, K3 and K4 in equation 1, we get y of x. X means what? 0.2. The value, the point at which the value of y is to be estimated. Y of 0.2 equals y0. What is y0? 1 plus 1 by 6 into first term K1. What is K1? 0.1 plus 2 into K2. What is K2? 0.165 plus 2 into K3. What is K3? 0.16825 plus K4. What is K4? 0.2368. So all the values are substituted. So now use your calculator and find out the value of this. We get y of 0.2 and this gives 1.167. So this is the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So this is the required answer here, and this is how we can solve a problem by using Runge-Kutta fourth order method. Okay, so now we shall discuss the solution of a second problem. Using Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, find y of 0.2 for the differential equation dE. dy by dx equals y minus x by y plus x, comma y of 0 is equal to 1, taking a step size h is equal to 0.2. Now here, so you know dy by dx can be considered as f of x comma y, so it is y minus x by y plus x. Initial conditions, see x naught is this value 0, comma y naught is 1, and in this case the step length is h is equal to 0.2. So this is the initial data given. Now we know that the approximate solution of an IVP in case of the fourth order Runge-Kutta method can be calculated by a formula y of x equals, it is y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. So let us call it as equation 1. Now we will find the values of this case one by one. We have first k1 equals, so what is the formula of k1? We know k1 is h into f of x naught comma y naught. This is equal to h. What is h? 0.2 into f of x naught comma y naught. So what is x naught? 0 comma y naught means 1. Now this is equal to 0.2 into, see f of 0 comma 1. We know f of x comma y is y minus x by y plus x. I want f of 0 comma 1. I mean in place of x we have 0 and in place of y we have 1 here. So let us substitute now. So y is 1 and x is 0. So it becomes 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So if we simplify this, we get the value of k1, and k1 for this is 0.2. Now similarly k2. So the second parameter k2 is, the formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Now this is equal to, h is 0.2 into f of, so calculate this, x naught plus h by 2. X naught was 0, so this term becomes 0, plus h by 2. What is h? 0.2. So it is 0.2 divided by 2. It becomes 0.1, comma y naught. Y naught is 1. See this. K1 by 2. See, K1 is 0.2. So 0.2 by 2. So it is 0.1. 0.1 plus 1. So it gives 1.1. So we get 0.2 into, see here, same, f of x comma y. So x is 0.1, y is 1.1. So let us substitute this x and y in the given problem. F of x comma y is equal to y minus x by y plus x. So if I substitute, y means 1.1 minus x, x is 0.1 divided by this is 1.1 plus 0.1. So if I simplify this, we get the value of k2. So k2 for this problem is 0.1667. So simplify using your calculator. Now similarly k3, the formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Now this is equal to, h is 0.2 into f of, see, x naught plus h by 2. See, this is same as last problem. We have already calculated. Let us use that value directly. 0.1. Y naught plus k2 by 2 we calculate. See, y naught is 1. This is 1 plus k2 is this 0.1667 divided by 2. So it is 1 plus 0.1667 divided by 2. So this gives 1.0835 on simplification. Now this is equal to 0.2 into. Now again, f of x comma y. X is 0.1, y is 1.0835. Substitute in this. 1.0835 minus 0.1 divided by 1.0835 plus 0.1. If I simplify this, we get the value of k3. So use your calculators and find out its value. So it comes around 0.1662 k3. Now at last k4, the formula is h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. So this is the formula for k4. So h is 0.2 into f of x naught plus h. X naught was 0. H is 0.2. So x naught plus h means it is 0 plus 0.2. It gives 0.2, comma y naught plus k3. See, what is y naught? 1 here plus k3. K3 we got here. So it is 1 plus this. It is 1.1662. Now this is equal to 0.2 into, again, see, this is f of x comma y. X is this, y is this. Substitute here. So y means 1.1662 minus x is 0.2 divided by, this is 1.1662 plus 0.2. So simplify this, we get the value of k4, and for this we get 0.1414. This is the value of k4. So we got the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4. So let us substitute all these things in equation 1 along with y naught. Substituting k1, comma k2, comma k3 and k4 in equation 1, we get y of x. X means 0.2. the point where I want to find final solution. Y of 0.2 equals y naught. What is y naught? It is 1 plus 1 by 6 into k1. What is k1? 0.2 plus 2 into k2. What is k2? 0.1667 plus 2 into k3. What is k3? 0.1662 plus k4. 0.1414. So simplify this, make use of your calculators and simplify. We get the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So it comes around 1.1679, and this is the required solution of your second problem. So this is how we can solve a problem by using the fourth order Runge-Kutta method. Okay. So now we will discuss about the last problem on fourth order Runge-Kutta method. Use fourth order Runge-Kutta method to find y at x equals 0.1 given that dy by dx equals 3 e power x plus 2y, y of 0 is equal to 0 and step length h is 0.1. So like a previous two problems, so we'll solve this. Solution. So what is the first step here? Given, so you know dy by dx will be written as f of x comma y. So f of x comma y is 3 e power x plus 2y. Now the initial condition. So y of 0 equals 0 means x naught is 0, y naught is also 0. And the step length is given, that is 0.1. So this is the data given. So we know that the approximate solution of an IVP in case of fourth order Runge-Kutta method can be obtained by a formula y of x equals, it is y naught plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So let us call it as 1. So this is the formula which calculates the approximate solution in case of RKM. Now these are the unknown terms k1, k2, k3, k4. We'll calculate one by one. So we have first parameter k1 equals. So what is the formula of k1? It is h into f of x naught comma y naught. So this is equal to, h is 0.1 into f of x naught comma y naught. X naught is 0, y naught is also 0. So this is equal to 0.1 into, see, f of x comma y is 3 e power x plus 2y. But here in place of x we have 0 and in place of y also we have 0. So let us put x0 and y0 in this relation. So it becomes 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into 0. So I am putting x0, y0 in this. 2 into 0, 0 and e power 0 is 1. 1 into 3, 3. So it is 3 into 0.1. So this implies k1 equals 0.3. So this is the value of the first parameter k1. Now similarly we calculate k2 now, second parameter. So the formula for k2 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. So this is equal to, h is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h by 2. X naught is 0, h is 0.1. 0.1 by 2 is 0.05. 0.05 plus 0. It gives 0.05. Comma y naught plus k1 by 2. K1 is 0.3. So 0.3 divided by 2. It is 0.15. 0.15 plus y naught is again 0. So 0 plus 0.15. It gives 0.15. So this is the value of x naught plus h by 2 and this is the value of y naught plus k1 by 2. Now again same procedure. This is in the form of f of x comma y where x is 0.05 and y is 0.15. Substitute them in this relation, x and y values. If I substitute, we get 0.1 into this is 3 into e power x. What is x? 0.05 plus 2 into y. What is y? 0.15. If I simplify this, we get the value of K2. And use your calculator and simplify. The value of K2 is 0.3454. 0.3454. Now next parameter K3. So the formula for K3 is same. Again h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus K2 by 2. So this is equal to, h is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h by 2. See, x naught plus h by 2 already done. It is 0.05 comma y naught plus K2 by 2. K2 is 0.3454. So it is 0.3454 divided by 2 plus y naught, and y naught is 0. So it becomes 0.1727, correct? 0.3454 divided by 2 here. Now again, this is in the form of f of x comma y. X is 0.05 and y is 0.1727. Let us substitute this x and y values in this relation. We get 0.1 into, this is 3 e power x. What is x? 0.05 plus 2 into y. Y is 0.1727. So if I calculate this, we get the value of K3. So use your calculators and simplify. We get K3 equals, it is 0.3499. So this is the value of K3. Now similarly, the last parameter K4. The formula for K4 is h into, it is f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus K3. So this is equal to h is again 0.1 into f of, see, x naught plus h. X naught 0. H is 0.1. So 0 plus 0.1. 0.1 comma y naught plus K3. Again y naught is 0 plus K3. K3 is this. So 0 plus this. It is 0.3499. Right? Now again, x becomes 0.1 now and y becomes 0.3499. So let us substitute this x and y values in the main relation. So if I substitute, we get 0.1 into, this is 3 into e power x. X is 0.1 plus 2 into y. Y is 0.3499. So simplify this, we get the value of K4. And K4 is 0.4015. Use your calculators to find out this. So we get the values of K1, K2, K3 and K4, all 4 parameters. Let us substitute all these values along with y naught in equation 1. So substituting K1, K2, K3 and K4 in equation 1, we get y of x. What do you mean by x? 0.1. So that means y of 0.1 we want is equal to, first y naught. What is y naught? 0 plus 1 by 6 into, the first term is K1. And what is K1? 0.3 plus 2 into K2. What is K2? 0.3454 plus 2 into K3. K3 is 0.3499 plus K4. K4 is 0.4015. So all the values of K's and y naught is substituted. So simplify this using your calculator. We get 0.3487. So this is the value of y at x is equal to 0.1. So this is the required solution of a problem here. So this is how we can solve a problem by using Runge-Kutta fourth order method. So it is a common procedure for every problem here.
So these are some problems for practice, fourth and fifth. So use the same procedure of Runge-Kutta method and find the solution of problem 4 and problem 5. All the best.